Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be reviewing this vpart no leave out wig. I tried to do some leave out and y'all are going to see as we get into the video, but if y'all forgot, my hair is blonde. So right now it's no leave out. You guys will get to see how I attempted to try to do leave out, but eventually we reverted back to the no leave out because it just looks a lot more flawless. If no leave out interests you, go ahead and keep watching it and we can get into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
You know it's your girl. Hello, it's fucking me. Oh, that's not what I say. Hi beautiful and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am finna kiki with y'all. I have this vpart wig that I'm finna put on, but we have an issue because my hair is blonde. But let me put this back on, leave it back on so y'all cannot be distracted by that. This bonnet is from Set Collection. If you guys want to see where you can get a bonnet from, go ahead and check the description box down below and get your bonnet from black owned, woman owned business. Anyway, my hair isn't black, so this is supposed to be like a no leave out wig, but that scares the shit out of me. Like, y'all don't remember Invisible Parts? It's okay if you don't remember Invisible Parts. They wasn't invisible. So that scares me a little bit. But I've seen somebody do it, but that's not how I'm gonna do it. Today I am finna just use my hair as some leave out. So I got me some temporary hair color spray in dark brown. And then I also got some dark brown edge control because I'm not ready to dye my hair yet. I came for this vpart wig from Nadula hair. Let's go ahead and look at it. I did go ahead and co-wash it and give it a slight blow dry so it could not be so wet on me. I don't want no wet ass hair just hanging on me. But also by the time hopefully I get done with my hair, it'll be done drying. So like the ends are pretty dry. It's just like the middle part that's not dry. And also I co-washed it so you guys can see the real texture of the hair and it's what it's looking like. And I will come back when it's fully dry so we can see the whole tea. Yeah, let's focus on me, not this fucking wig. So, it's been a minute since I sat here and talked in front of y'all. Hey, you missed me? If you did miss me before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe to my second channel. My first vlog on there did really well and I'm really thankful. So, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. It's listed as an additional channel on my homepage of this channel. And then also I have it linked down below as well. So, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm really excited for all the things I'm gonna do on the channel. It's not gonna be just vlogs. It's vlogs right now because it's what I want to do, but whatever I want to do is what I'm gonna do over there. So if you want to see JaLeah be acting like JaLeah, you tired of seeing JaLeah do hair, go subscribe to JaLeah's second channel and see JaLeah being JaLeah. So here's the construction of the wig. Here's the parting space. So it's not a lot of parting space. I'm literally just gonna take a sliver of my hair and my edges and call it a day. I already have my hair in the middle part and I'm gonna leave it kind of like not so middle-y because y'all know white girls, they be having parts and they parts like they parts never be straight. Like, did y'all notice that about white girls? Okay, wait, I'm tripping. But y'all notice that about white women? They parts just be so like crooked. Now that I got this ponytail out. My hair been in this bun for 3 whole months. Like, poor hair. Okay, so this is my hair for the leave out. I'm finna go ahead and twist it up real quick. How have y'all been doing? What's going on with y'all? What's tea? I do want to say that I am thinking of shifting my content on here, but I'm in the process of thinking like what exactly that means for everybody and for myself. So I don't know, I'm in the process of figuring it out, but things will be different soon. Okay, so the only thing about this is for root touch-ups, but I've seen a TikTok where this guy was like, when you got a modeling job and you need your hair to be brown but you want to be blonde, and he just sprayed like a whole bunch of hairspray in his hair. The instructions say shake well before each use. Hold can 4 to 6 inches away from dry hair. Spray evenly as color will become vivid as it dries, and then let it dry for 1 minute. Cause I'm gonna need to like obviously make it curly. Like my leave out can't just go up on top like that and then that be that, right? So I'm trying to think like if I should spray it and then do it. This wig is 24 inches, I believe. If not, the correct length will be in the description box. So yeah, see, this isn't giving. It's so cute though. Like, I don't know, what if my hair really did look like this? This is is not cute with this leave out. Okay, so I think I am gonna go ahead and just brush it out with some water just to get a little bit of wetness, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with the spray. I'm gonna take a little bit of this leave-in that I got from Sally's. Just a little bit, like literally just a little bit. You would think my hair didn't curl the way it's acting right now. Please stop acting out in front of company. Now I'm gonna go ahead and separate it into my part. This is so funny. Like I really got myself out here in a pickle. I should go get my dimming brush, but I don't feel like it. Oh my gosh, this poor hair. Please curl. I don't know why you're acting like this. Stop. I'm gonna use a little bit of this Design Essentials curl enhancing mousse. See, if you don't got you know, bleach blonde hair, this will probably look a lot better on you. But either way, it's covering up the tracks pretty good, except for the back because I didn't leave out enough to leave out. But ain't nobody gonna be my ass. So now to keep going, I'm gonna use this spray. Like I said, the Temptation Darkest Brown. It's a root touch-up spray, but I'm gonna use it on my whole hair. Wow. Alright. It says it gets darker as it dries. So okay, here's the difference. So here's the side I didn't spray. Bad leave out. And here's the side I did spray. You can still kind of see the leave out, but like I said, it's gonna get darker as it dries. My curl pattern really isn't like this. I think it's just because I had it in a slick back and didn't really like go through the process of like really wetting my hair, but it's looking pretty good against the hair curl pattern, so fuck it then. Wow. This is crazy. This was such a good idea when I thought about it, but now we here. Was it that smart? My leave out brown, right? But at what cost? You know, at what cost? I got this brown edge control, and I'm gonna just do like some 2 big fat ass swoops right here and like get my middle part real. Hello? Get my middle part real slick in the front. I don't know. I'm not thinking I'm gonna have. I mean, I probably could have some baby hairs now that. Hello? All this spray can't cover 2 strands of hair. Like I said, my hair is brown now. Maybe I should have got black. My hair is definitely like blonde. I don't know why the darkest brown was supposed to work on my blonde hair. Okay, enough shit talking. I'm finna do my edges. This is the edge fixer, but in dark brown. It's in the smell coconut. Y'all know I'm picky about these smells. Okay, so this edge fixer is a little bit smoother because it's brown. So let me brush out my edges. My hair looks so dirty. Like it looks like I swam in some mud. Okay, all right. I'm gonna mix this gel with my edge fixer from RS, and just that'll slick it down some more, so I don't have to keep adding edge control, making everything so muddy. I feel like everything looks so muddy on my head. You guys probably cannot tell, but it's so muddy. Okay, a little brown baby hair moment in the front, and then for real, y'all, I thought I was gonna have some edges on the side. We slicking these hoes, but oh my god, this shit is so brown. Now I gotta face this other edge, and then we're gonna spray my hair again and not touch it no more, because maybe that was the problem. Maybe it was like, bitch, stop touching me, and maybe I'll dry. So I'm gonna just fix my edges. Right, you see the vision? This will be a lot easier if you don't have already colored hair, but I'm really doing the best with what I got. And I would just hope the wind wouldn't blow, you know? Like, please don't do that, wind. Stay where you're at, wind. Like, don't blow on me. I'm gonna do a little brushy brush on top. Now my hair is situated in the front. I don't know what the fuck was the point of me getting this spray. Like, that's what the hell I'm trying to figure out. But you know what? Here's to doing the spray right this time. I'm gonna go ahead and try not to get as much of it into the hair and focus it on the parts where it needs to get focused on. And I should have did this for the first time, but y'all ain't never did this before. I would be lying to myself if I acted like this was okay. Cause it's definitely not okay. And no matter how much I try to make it okay, it's not okay. And sometimes shit don't be okay. So you know what? Let's just accept the fact that it's not okay. Put this shit right back under the wig. I tried my best. I was like, you know what? I'ma just fucking not. I'ma just not do that no more. It's looking pretty suspect to me. But let's try to make this work. How would JaLeah make this work? JaLeah would... I'm just going ahead and like pulling up. I'm loosening the clip and I'm just pulling up some of my hair so that it's covering up the lace part. Or it's not even lace. It's like a little, it's like the edge of it. Yeah, I'm just playing with it a little bit. I'm just lifting up where it needs to be lifted so you can't see. Put some of that back. And that's making it look a little bit more natural so you can't see the leave out. Okay, let me get this fucking spray out of this hair because that's not okay. Okay, it's like I can kind of tell, but then I can't. It's like, why are you this close to my head anyway? Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Why are you this close to my head if you know that you shouldn't be? We're in a pandemic. Back the fuck up. Why are you looking at me like this? So on top of my head is all wet, so it's kind of looking like kind of matted. Now, is this my kind of wig? No. It seemed like a little more work than a wig for me. If I would have had a wig, I'd just thrown it on by now. But if you don't like wigs, you feel me? That's not your judge. It's not your tea. This is something. It's something. Somebody will like this out there. That's not what somebody wants to hear me say. This is not my tea because I don't have a problem with wigs. But if you do have a problem with wigs, you're not good at wigs, you just want to throw on a wig sometimes and leave, I think this is the wig for you. I don't know. It's given. It's the wig for you. Now let's see what this looks like on camera. This looks a little better. My roots are colored right here so you can kind of see them, but I'm not spraying them more than I spray in my hair. Also, I think it's gone. So this does look a lot better than my leave out. If my leave out could match, it would probably look a lot better, but this is doing the best it can. I could pull out some more hair right here to cover up the, right there. There we go. And then just like that, you can cover up the little piece, and this is your hair essentially. It does look good. We're done with it. I don't know, it's a real fine line between not looking good and looking good. And this isn't geared towards me. This isn't geared towards someone who knows how to work with the lace. This is geared to somebody who doesn't. And so for that reason and that reason only, I'm fucking with the no leave out. I'm fucking with the no leave out. For that reason and that reason only. No leave out. No leave out. I can't clap. Alright. So no leave out. This is what I'm gonna finish it off on because that was not looking good. The leave out was not given. I tried to make it give, it wasn't given. So I went ahead with the original thing. And if my hair was the same color, I'm sure this would look absolutely great. Yeah, because if you're looking at me that close, you don't need to be looking at me that close. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're looking for a super easy to install wig, this is it. If it wasn't for my stupid hair color, I'm sure I would have had a much better time. But now that I've figured it out a little bit and my hair does not have that shitty leave out on top of it, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm sure you could take this a bunch of different directions. You want to layer it up, you could layer it up and then make it like, I don't know. You could do some things with this. This wig has a lot of potential that I'm not going to fully take advantage of because, yeah. Alright, enough of me jibber jabbering. I'm going to go ahead and sign off of here. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. We went a lot of different directions, but I think this is the best bet. And no leave out. Who don't love no leave out? I love no leave out. That's why I'm a wig wearer. So shouts out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.